Okay, folks, I'm going to leave this up on the screen so that you all can see. Uh, this is a fix for the Shulkercraft tutorial on Froglight farm that they did a couple years ago. It will still work in Java 1.21, but you have to do this quick fix. Otherwise, because of the way they changed the reach of the slimes and the magma cubes, they'll be able to hit your golems, and your golems will eventually die. So as you can see here, I've killed my golems. And again, I want to stress, this is for Java 1.21 only. If you're playing Bedrock, probably not going to work. I can't guarantee you can try it. I can't guarantee. I don't play Bedrock, so I can't tell you what will fix it. I just know that this is what fixed it for me, and it's very simple. All you need is, I'm going to add 4 golems this time. So I've got 16 iron blocks, 4 carved pumpkins, and 8 chains. I've got some scaffolding and some extra glass blocks just in case, to get in and out of your farm, obviously, and some temporary blocks, some dirt, right? So you just bridge out. This is normally where your golems stand, right? This is the block above their heads. So on either side, you're going to add 3 temporary blocks, bridge out this way, do the same thing on this side. Then you take your chains and you place them like so, skipping the center block where their heads are going to be. Boom. That is really all you need to do. Come back out, go up on top of your farm. Let's see, replace these glass blocks, go to the center beam. I'm going to delete these temporary blocks, which should leave the chains exactly where they are, right? And you're going to get, let me just set this up real quick. You're going to delete the center 3 glass, and you're going to add your golems the same way you did. The feet go here. There's the arms. Delete the temporary block. Oops. There we go. And you pop your golem in. Do that 3 more times. Boom. Replace your glass. We don't want gas spawning, right? That's what these beams are for, to prevent gas from spawning in while you're AFK. Just want the magma cubes, right? So that's it. All right, so it's been closer to an hour. I just ate breakfast, cooked and ate breakfast. So let's jump down and see what's going on down here. Whoa, yeah, and you can see they're all aggroed towards the center. They can see the golems, right? There they are. They're still intact. Wackadoodling the magma cubes, as they're supposed to. Let's go check and see the results. All right, yeah. A couple of pieces of dirt and junk in there, and then this one was already full from the last time. I didn't have enough shulker boxes the first time. Yeah, so it works fine. Let's go and take a closer look at the golems, just to make sure. I did notice when I did like a quick test earlier that at least one of the golems had taken some kind of damage, but they all look fine here. And now that these guys can see me, they're aggroing on me, so I'm just going to help them a little. Get out of here, guys. Go away. Let's check on them. All right, so one of them did take a tiny bit of damage, right? As you can, yeah, maybe two of them. Other than that, they're okay. You know, I probably could have gone for 3 or 4 hours if I wanted to. But yeah, that's how you fix it. So anyway, you're welcome.